Today's video, I'll be showing you how you can turn scrap and rotten foods into great, healthy, and delicious meal. If you've been throwing out your overripe plantain, I want you to watch this video to the end. Here, you can see me cutting the green pepper. This is one of the recipe we'll be using for our ingredients we'll be using for our recipe for today. So I need to slice and cut this pepper into a very tiny pieces, as you can see me doing right now. I want it to be very tiny, and we'll be mixing it with our main recipe for our today's delicious meal. So after cutting the green hot pepper, we put it in a bowl, and we get our onion. Today we'll be using half onion. So we'll get this half-sized onion, we cut it into pieces, we mix it together with the pepper, we put it right in the same bowl where we have the green hot pepper. Again, we're trying to make sure the onions is cut into tiny pieces, very tiny pieces, and we don't want to blend it. I would have blended it, but we don't want to do that. So right now I'm mixing the onions with the already cut pepper, hot green pepper. So this is our plantain. Basically, this plantain is rotten, is overripe, and normally you could just throw it out, but we're gonna be using this plantain to make a very healthy and delicious meal that's you will definitely enjoy, and you want to make this meal over and again. And I'm Juliana Ozoze. You're welcome to Juliana Cooking Channel. If you're joining me for the very first time, you're very much welcome to my channel. So right here, we're still cutting this plantain. As you could see, this plantain is so overripe. I don't need to blend it. Merely cutting it is making it even softer. So it's extremely soft, and we'll be using this plantain just as it is, right? Like this, we're not gonna be blending it. So I'm putting the plantain in a bowl containing the onion and already cut hot green pepper. So I put in my seasoning. This is complete seasoning. I put in my salt, and I'm mixing the whole ingredient together. The seasoning, the plantain, the onion, the pepper. I'm mixing it together. I'll make sure it's well mixed up and it's thoroughly mixed, so we could obtain an evenly taste. Take your time and mix it thoroughly, so every part of the plantain will have nice taste after it's been prepared. So apparently I'm putting in the oil on the pan. We're gonna be frying this plantain here. We're gonna be frying it in the oil, and I'm apparently putting the oil on the pan, getting ready to fry the plantain. So here we're frying the plantain. This type of plantain have every tendency of spreading in the hot oil while frying it. So you use your spoon after putting it in the oil to control the spread, just like I'm doing right now, to make sure it's well separated. You control it from spreading all over. If you've watched up until this moment, I want you to subscribe to my channel. I want you to give this channel a thumbs up, and I want you to hit the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you will definitely be the first to get notification about my video. All right, so right here, this plantain is being fried and is nicely fried. As you can see, I'm controlling the spread. It has every tendency, like I told you, to spread up in the pan, but nevertheless you could control it by making sure it's well separated. This is looking delicious already. It's light brown, and we'll keep frying it until we obtain the right color we actually want. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I would like you to watch my other videos that has to do with using a rotten food plantain to make a healthy food you could enjoy at home. So I just flipped that plantain over, just making sure every part of the plantain is well fried. All right, so our plantain is ready, and here I'm using gari. You could see me putting the milk in a gari to eat this plantain. You can use it, you can eat it with akamu, generally known as pap. You can eat it with custard. You can even use oatmeal. Prepare an oatmeal and use it. This is very, very delicious. It's very, very tasty. So let me know in the comment section what type of food you'll be using to try out your overripe plantain fry. Were you gonna be using custard for it? Are you gonna be using gari like I'm using gari to eat mine? Are you gonna be using akamum, or are you gonna be using oatmeal? So let me know in the comment section what exactly you'll be using to eat your overripe plantain fry. Enjoy this meal, and I hope to see you in my next video. Do well to subscribe to my channel. If you have watched up until this moment, give this video a thumbs up, click the notification button, share this video to as many people as you could in your WhatsApp group, in your Facebook account, in your TikTok account. Bye for now.